In this video, I will guide you on how to use and install texture packs in Minecraft Bedrock. Whether you're playing on a computer or a mobile device, iPhone or Android, the steps should work. First, close Minecraft and open an internet browser. Look for a trusted website that offers resource packs for Minecraft Bedrock, such as resourcepack.net or Planet Minecraft. Choose a resource pack you like and click on the download option. The download process may vary depending on your browser or device. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder, or using File Explorer on your computer, Files app on iPhone, or File Manager app on your Android. The file should have an MC pack extension. If it's inside a zip folder, double-click to access the MC pack file. Next, open Minecraft Bedrock, and it should automatically recognize the pack and display an import message. Confirm the import, and if successful, go to the Play menu and create a new world. Under Resource Packs, activate the texture pack you imported. Create the world, and you'll be able to enjoy the new texture pack. To disable the texture pack, pause the game. Save and quit, then edit the world settings. Deactivate the pack and relaunch the world. Remember to explore other texture packs available. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.